Hey guys, hopefully you're having a good day. Just figured I'd check in with you. I'm on the road right now, headed about an hour away from where I live and where my snow counts are. And it's not the best weather out. People are going slow. I'm going like 45 on the interstate right now. The regular speed's like 70. So it's a little slow. And the snow is coming down right now. And hopefully I don't get a call saying I should be out in Rochester clearing out my accounts, because I am headed an hour away and it'll be another hour back, and that's normal time. That's normal travel time, and we are going slow, and so it's going to be even longer than that. So hopefully we're good. The commercial sites stay cleared out enough that I don't have to, or I shouldn't be up there. So we'll hope for the best. But anyway, I'm headed out to get a cage. I'm demoing a unit for the skid steer. See if I like it. And if we like it, then we're gonna get it. And so I've been looking around at different snow pushers. I was thinking of going like a simple, just straight box, you know, snow box, snow pusher. But then I was thinking, you know, the blade would be super handy to have too. And the tilt and everything the KAGE does. If you're not familiar with the KAGE, they have, first of all, go look them up, because they're pretty cool. They got trip edges on them. They have a box, like removable box sides, and so it can be a pusher, and then you can remove the sides and just have a regular snow blade, like a snow plow. And it oscillates back and forth, side to side. So kind of cool unit. Of course, a little more spendy, so I didn't know if I wanted to pull the trigger on something like that, but well, I guess that's why we're headed over here to pick it up and see what it can do. See if it's much more superior to the other ones. So it should be fun. It's just a little nerve-wracking driving in this weather. Kind of stupid to drive in this weather, but what do you do? We have a storm. We're supposed to get 3 to 5 inches today yet, and then either 1 to 2 or 2 to 4 tonight. So probably a total of 7 to 10, I think, around there. Which is a little more than normal for my area in central Minnesota. But it'll be fun. So I'm gonna check in with you guys when we get to the dealer. And this dealer it's like they have multiple locations. This is not the location. My standard dealer is not an hour away. That would not be ideal, and I'd probably find a different dealer if that was the case. My dealer is right in my town. Well, actually one town over, right in the suburb, and they're great to work with, but just that location was out of the 8-footers, the size that fits on my loader well, and so that's the reason for the drive. Otherwise I would not be driving this far. I would just pick it up at that location, which is like 15 minutes away. So anyway, that's the purpose of the drive, but I'll check in again once we get there. We can check it out and we can load it up and take it back home. Okay guys, we made it safely, which is the main thing. So here here she is. Kind of cool. Should be fun. They left this loader out here for me, so I can jump in here and load it up. That is the beauty of having a good dealer. Because this is after hours, because of the weather, I told them I would be late. And where is the key? Is there a key? No. Okay. No. Oh. Okay, sweet. Oh, and the password worked. Oh, that's amazing. So on my way over, I called up my sales guy and I told him I was going to be late. I told him the weather was pretty bad. The roads, of course, everybody was driving slow. And so he was like, okay, cool. So I asked if anybody was going to be around after hours, or if they could leave a loader out here for me to load this or something, because I wasn't going to bring my loader all the way over here. And he said, oh yeah, sure, I'll just give you the code for the loader. So they just sent out this, rental with the cage right on here. So that is the beauty of having a good dealer that you can trust, and that also trusts you back with just leaving you with their loader. So that's awesome. I'm very happy to be working with these guys, to have these guys in my area. It's a good situation, so get yourself a good dealer. It's gonna be good. That's the main thing. Yeah, so let's get this thing loaded up. Alrighty. Oh, this thing is all floppy. It kind of flops back and forth. I'm gonna scoot over and put it towards the front. Just because I need all the weight in the front if I can. And I don't think we're hooked in there with a quick attach. Hydraulic lines aren't hooked up, and so we are ready to rock and roll. So that was fun while it lasted. Okay, don't really like how it's cockeyed up here, but it'll do. These lines I don't think will be going anyplace. Yeah, dude, I don't think this thing has been used at all. Because you probably saw when we were loading it up, it was just going back and forth freely. Like the cylinders didn't have any fluid in there at all, so. Should be fun. Should be a good thing. So I'm gonna chain it up, and then we are going to head back down. We got it chained down, we got it nice and tight. Now we're ready to hit the road and go put it to work. So on my way back from where I am going, I stopped past one of my dad's job sites, and that's he's got stuff going on. Got a loader up in here. Oh boy. So that's my dad's loader. Hey, Aaron. It's a Deere 544G. You want to tell us about it?
I don't know.
Got a new pusher. What's that, a 14 foot?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, and I had it full and I was pushing it.
Oh man, that's a lot of snow.
Yeah, it was a lot. A whole lot.
Yeah, what's that? I'm 6'2". It's up to my elbow. I don't know what that is. 4 feet tall, probably. Something like that.
Yeah.
But yeah, what a beauty. This is what he uses for his commercial sites. And so he's got a bunch of trucks and skid loader and everything too, so. But anyway, I figured I'd stop past, say hi. This is his truck.